Racing just is started. We have You Are My Hero. Break quickly restart. Private Thoughts. Gymnast in the middle portion. Señorita Ruth. Running by the release. Irene's Dream. Señorito Jello. Minu Cutter. Second last. Wild Body Yasin is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have the quick is striding You Are My Hero on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length lead. Right behind in second is moving upon the outside is Señorita Ruth. In the middle portion comes Irene's Dream. Private Thoughts comes next. Gymnast alongside Minu Cutter. Señorito Jello second last, while Body Hassan is still racing in less. And on the fourth turn we have You Are My Hero enjoying a noselead. Moving up on the outside is number 4 Señorita Ruth to take the lead, and in third comes Irene's Dream. Gymnast comes next. Minu Cutter, Private Thoughts, and Diana entering the home stretch. You Are My Hero is running by the rail, and on the outside is Señorita Ruth. Gymnast is racing in third. Last 100 meters we have Señorita Ruth moving up on the outside, running by the release. You Are My Hero, and finally Señorita Ruth. You Are My Hero. Gymnast close between 3 runners.
Okay, for your race number 5, our unofficial winner is entry number 4, that is Señorita Ruth, skippered by GB Hernandez. Mas sa segundo po dito, numero 3 na si You Are My Hero. Tercero po ang darating.